Hi, I'm Jake with SummerSpace. Today we're here in Manchester, Maine with our factory retail division, installing our new porch enclosure panel system. This customer is going from a traditional screen porch, looking for something a little bit more contemporary and a little more functional for seasonal use. Today we'll be installing glass and screen panels all the way around 3 sides of this porch to give the customer more functionality and a better overall look. Today we'll be installing a total of 7 panels, 3 active window sections, 1 non-active stationary window, and 3 full-length panels with active glass and screen bottom. For this customer, having an open feel was of most importance. Therefore, we decided to opt for the full-length panels in the front with removable active glass bottoms. That way, he'll have the option to remove all of his glass panels and still feel like a traditional screen room. With the finished porch panel install, this customer now has the option for year-round enclosure or enclosure on stormy days, as well as opening all of his panels or removing all of his panels to go back to a traditional screen room feel. If you would like any more information on our porch panel enclosure system, please visit us at summerspace.com or contact a local building supplier near you.